we've helped many businesses grow, scale, and expand, even through difficult seasons like COVID. Was 2021 a banner year for your business? Well, if it wasn't, or if you want to take it to the next level so you have a banner year in 2022 and following, we would love to talk to you. We've helped many businesses grow, scale, and expand, even through difficult seasons like COVID. We have a full suite of services and professional experts on our team that you will have access to help build ads, develop SEO, build and develop and design new websites and landing pages, create a social media presence that is engaging, that people want to come back to. If any of this interests you and you want to set some goals and have some marketing behind so that you can accomplish those goals, we would love to set up a complimentary marketing analysis. Let's look at last year and some things that worked and didn't, as well as roll out our full suite of service and then put a customized plan together for you and your business so that you ensure next year will be a banner year and more. Please click the link on our website. We will schedule a call with you and we will help you take your business to the next level.